What's the meaning of cash flow? Cash flow. Cash flow.
Cash flow. Cash flow. Cash flow refers to the movement of money into and out of a business or individual's finances. It provides a snapshot of the amount of cash available at any given time and details the inflows and outflows of cash over a specific period. Positive cash flow occurs when more money is coming in than going out, which can be seen as a healthy sign for a business or individual. Conversely, negative cash flow means more money is going out than coming in, which may lead to financial issues if it persists long term.